Welcome back to Daytime Live. We're back with Tifa, who's going to perform her new single, J.A. Party. First, before you perform it, Tifa, tell me who produced this track?
Birchill, Christopher
Oh.
Birch. No, Christopher Birch.
Speak up, Birch.
But listen, the song's gonna speak for itself, so sing.
Sing the thing.
No, sing.
Yo, Tifa to the world. And that was
That song I named Summer.
All day.
Can I see all my people in the audience
Show the
make
girl
some
the party for summer,
noise?
man.
Hey! But I feel like a sea and sun, yeah. In my bikini and
Alive.
pop the cooler pass me some liquor.
Yes.
It a chase with a little.
Come on.
Me and my friend, them a go on sound naughty. Vibes right in a this a beach party. My back bend and me a bubble pan a man, yeah. Come in a all and me no reach 40.
And what?
Man flying just a par with the artists. Black in the Chinese and whitey. No Jamaica have the right energy. Nothing a nice like a J.A. party. I want me sing sweet, so sweet. No place to me like yard. Like yard. Their party, dance in the streets. Oh God, oh God. Sure. What a way. Everything nice up in the party. Sound a swing, gyal a shake them body. Man a bun a ting and a be a flossing. A the ting be a flossing, car that can't ration. Money pull up, selector get in I man. Gyal de pa head top fee a 10 grand. We have a video this a one. Oh, I me sing sweet, so sweet. No place to me like yard. Yeah, we are God. Yeah, we are God. Beer party, dance in the streets. Oh God, oh God. Bus blank now, bus no rifle. Police free up, cause the dance can't stifle. Everything just right, just nice. Jamaica are the place for ya. Allow me to tell. Oh God, Jamaica just nice so. Oh Jamaica just nice so. Jamaica just nice so. Sweet, so sweet. No place to me like yard. Like yard. Beer party, dance in the streets. Oh God, oh God. Sweet, so sweet. No place to me like yard. Yeah, we are God. What me say? Beer party, dance in the streets. Oh God, oh God. Hey.
Yo, even though we have two left foot, me the rocks, but we can't rock to them.
Watch your ribs.
We can get a small rock.
What a rope? Let me teach you how to rope.
No, it's not that. Alright?
See how I do it there?
Alright, yeah, you can get a small one.
Yo,
Thank you very much, Tifa. That was awesome. Thank you to everybody for tuning in to Daytime Live. Remember, the Tifa album coming out. You understand? 15 tracks at least. So make sure you get it when it comes.
Curry goat and champagne.
Curry goat and champagne, the perfect combination. Get that.
Remember to tune in Friday for more buzz, chat, extra, and that's a whole bag of vibes. And of course, the mix. Thank you. Until next time.
Bye. Look
out.
more.
And what?
Tifa. Go see